Good afternoon, everyone. Jack McGrath with ntmarkets.com. Well, we've had an interesting day today. The reversal patterns off the weekly on the treasuries. The 10-year met its objective today. We were looking for a 131.30 print. So we got that. That was off the outside range reversal that we had 2 weeks ago. And then you were looking for a 25.5 trade off the inside range last week. We met both of those objectives this morning, basically. Also, the bonds met their objective off of its reversal pattern off the weekly. 144.07 was the high. That was the objective. So it took a while for those to come to fruition, but yesterday we were looking for that to happen with the key reversals we had on the equities. The S&P and the Dow both had key reversals, and your NASDAQ had a reversal pattern, which those objectives were met early this morning. Now what you need to pay attention to are the weeklies on the S&Ps. You have a key reversal in the making there, and an outside range week, which I think is important. And I want to watch the January 28th week's low, which was 1491, and February 4th week's low, which was 1490.25. That should be big support, and you look for the market to hold there and bounce. But if we start taking out those levels, and not only would the next level be 1481 on the downside, what you're going to see off that weekly chart is a key reversal with you've taken out the prior 3-week ranges, which I think adds more power to a trade, which in this case would be the bearish reversal, and then you're taking out the prior 3 weeks. I think that adds to the bearishness of the form. So we'll be watching tomorrow's close below 1517. We're going to get the reversal. Upside, tomorrow's pivot in the E-mini S&P is 1502, basically trading right on the money right there right now. So that's kind of a tough one. You know, which way are we going to go from the pivot? We'll pay attention to that. And then if we see some upside, I would keep an eye on 1508.50, which was last week's low, and you do have like 99.25 as a level. I don't really want to see us get too much above those two. If we started to get above there and hold above that 0850, you may be looking for another leg up towards 1517. But we'll see. Right now they have this S&P on the ropes, and if we see some downside follow through tomorrow, I think that could be the beginning of a bigger trade lower down to those gaps. And in turn, you're going to see strength in the treasuries and the bond. It had a nice day today, came back down off of some buying in stocks late, but we'll be watching 143.26. We really like to see it hold above there. 10-year, that 131.30 level. If it starts to get above there and hold, you're going to see another leg up in the bonds. But I think stocks are going to be the dictator of the next leg up for the treasuries. That's it for this afternoon. We'll pick it up tomorrow. Have a nice afternoon. Jack McGrath with ntmarkets.com. Thank you.